What's up guys, it's Dylan here with Flatirons Tuning, back for another product showcase. This week I wanted to talk to you guys about something we sell a lot of, but we don't talk about very much. It's just a simple OEM replacement part, the 09 to 14 pedal box. This is the clutch and brake pedal from an 09 to 14 WRX. And a lot of you may know that some of the early GRs, they had some firewall issues, that some of the welds had problems, and there were some issues with flexing, and that could actually even cause cracked sections of your pedal box. So we get a lot of people who order these in to replace them on their car, and just wanted to show you guys what all's included when you get one of these. So these pedal boxes come out of the box with obviously the brake and clutch pedal. They include the clutch switches, so you don't have to transfer anything over from your pedal box. They're a little bit updated. They have some extra bracing from the 08 and earlier pedals. So if you're looking for an upgrade, you might reach out to us and talk about the differences, see which one is right for you. Obviously there's some stuff you can add in with these, like looking at master cylinder bracing. There's a bunch of firewall fix kits for like fixing the firewall weld issue that causes these pedal boxes to crack. And obviously, all of that can only help so much with your lead foot and stage 2 pressure plates. If you do too much, you're just gonna end up breaking these poor little things, and sometimes you just gotta replace them. Yeah, we typically have a few of these pedal boxes on hand at any given time, so they're usually ready to ship in a day or two. Let us know if you need one and reach out with your VIN so we can confirm if this fits your car or not. Yeah, as always, thanks for tuning in, guys. Stay tuned with Flatirons Tuning, and make sure to check out all of our socials, our newsletter, our YouTube membership, and like and subscribe if you haven't already. It ain't got no gas in it.